Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here reviewing a really nifty little LED camping lantern that can charge two ways via a little solar panel here at the top and also via micro USB under this little silicone flap. Also found under the silicone flap is a full USB port that you can output to charge your devices like your phone, though the battery is only limited to about 1600 milliamp hours, so don't expect to charge too much. But if you're using this primarily just for the light feature, which I would definitely recommend you do, the battery definitely does last quite a while. And again, if you need to charge it, you can just charge it with the micro USB cable, which also comes out of the box. And you have a little charging indicator to let you know if it is charging or not. And then the only other port or button that's around this box is the power button, which you can cycle through the three different levels of brightness. So the first one is the lower steady brightness, and then the next one's a higher degree, and then the final one is this blinking one that you can use for emergencies. This LED light source also has a transformative property where you can change it from its compacted to a stretched out like an accordion design to make it look more like a lantern. In the lantern form, the light emits along the lateral edges, so the bottom side is less prominent, as you can see the difference in brightness. If you compact it down, you can again increase the brightness towards the bottom. In its compacted form, it measures at a height about just under 2 inches, and then with its fully extended, it can reach a length of about 4 inches. There are also two ways of handling this device. You can either flip up the little plastic handle to treat it like a little lantern and hang it somewhere, say on a tree branch, or you can also utilize the four little magnets so you can stick it to, say, the hood of your car if you need to do a little bit of maintenance on your car. It also comes in handy for emergencies, and especially with the blinking light, I like to use it compacted down, and you can attach it to the rear of your car and put it on that blinking mode to signal to other cars that you are in trouble. So this certainly is a really nifty little LED camping lantern. I don't really know if I would take this really with me on a camping trip because it's just not particularly bright, and the solar panels, as with most consumer solar panels on these type of cheap devices, don't tend to charge very quickly, so the best bet is to really bring along a portable charger to charge it via its micro USB. And I definitely wouldn't be using this to charge anything else either, so it really kind of defeats the purpose of taking it out into the wilderness when there's very little electricity. Rather, I would actually use this more towards like emergencies for, say, your car. So actually that's what I usually do. I just keep it in my car in case of an emergency. So by no means do I think this is a terrible device. I just think that you need to know what you're getting into. It's definitely not meant for heavy duty use, and the price tag shouldn't suggest that either, which it doesn't. So give this a shot if you think they'll fit your need. I think it's a really cool gift that you could give somebody, say maybe a little child who's interested in camping. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.